Okay, let's turn this down. Ooh, today we have a very, very good breakfast. And let's see here. Let's do this. We've got pork chop, bacon, ham, mushroom, cheese, bell peppers, onions, hash browns, cheese, of course. Yes. Ooh, and I already took a bite of the hash browns, so they're really good. I like these little hash browns that they come in a box. Put a little bit in a bowl of water, soak them up 20 minutes with some water, and fry them. They're delicious. And I've got them linked in. I think I've showed them in my videos before. But, yes. Every pork that you can throw in here. Ooh, that's hot. But good. Nothing like a good hearty breakfast first thing in the morning. Well, I shouldn't say first thing in the morning. I'm out of salsa, but I do have some sour cream to throw on it. It's like 11:15. All right, guys. Peace out. See ya. Perfect. Okay, there we go. That's the mixture. We got bacon, we got steak, we got turkey, we got black olives, we got everything in the kitchen sink in there. Pimentos, green chilies, cheese, sour cream. Yeah, we're gonna be rolling these puppies up, and we're doing chicken enchiladas tonight. Or not chicken, but turkey enchiladas. There we go. Turkey, steak, and bacon enchiladas. Oh, there we go. Say that 3 times fast. I'm really curious to see how this is going to taste. I bet you it's going to be awesome. Peace out. See ya. Today we're doing a ham quiche with green beans, spinach, mushrooms, cheese, bell peppers. Yeah, turned out fantastic. If you want the recipe, let me know. Okay, well, I guess I should have made these a little bit larger because I'm trying to like piece them together here. But at least this is like almost one plate, you know, size of a plate. So it's not too bad. Not too bad for my first fry bread. But since I cut the recipe in half, I should have actually have made it a little bit more. Yeah. So there we have it. I flipped it. She's frying up. She looks pretty good. Yeah, she's done. Tap the grease off of it. Not too bad. And then throw it up here to let it dry. Okay guys, I'm going to finish the rest of these. See ya. Okay guys, this one here was done in the fryer for, let's see here, that was about 40 minutes. This one was done in the crock pot for about 7 to 8 hours. This one was done on the gas one. This one was smoked. They're not burnt, it's just smoked. So when I break them apart, it'll look just fine. All right. We're going to do the different flavors. Now, this one here in particular was air fried. I carved it off. Really good texture. Really not that bad. Let's flip them all over. These guys just came off the griddle. Of course, this is toasted. But yeah, there you go. So this one here is air fried, of course. They're tender, they're juicy, but they're not really falling off the bone. Of course, the crock pot ones, they were just falling off the bone. This is very similar to the air fry one, the gas one. This was about 2 hours, and yeah. I haven't tried this one yet, though. We're going to scrape off some of this carbon and see what they taste like. All right, guys. Needless to say, my favorite ones was in the crock pot. Got some waffles, got some raspberry jam on them, omelet, very good. I got bacon, baby back ribs, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, 3-4 different kinds, cheese, salsa, sour cream. That's how you make an omelet. Got a nice brunch going on today. Tomatoes. I forgot the tomatoes. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish this up. Peace out. Okay guys, well, my intentions are, turn that down a little bit. As you can see, we got some burger frying with some onions, mushrooms, spices, and my intention is to make part of this spaghetti sauce, taco seasoning, and topping for a pizza. So I've got these containers, which I've got tons of these containers, because when I was making chili, all they sold them in was a pack of 50. So here's some mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, 3 or 4 different bell peppers in there. So I fried up the meat a little bit, and then I'm going to just separate it. You know, the thing of it is too is that cooking for yourself, all these things together and put them in the freezer, the refrigerator, pull them out and say, okay, I've got pizza toppings. Hamburger, pepperoni, ham, doo boo boo, wham bam, thank you ma'am. I got the pizza crust, throw it in the toaster oven, I got pizza. Cheese on top of it, sauce. You got a pound of hamburger, you don't know what to do with it, divide it up in certain 4 different things. Tacos, I got hard shell tacos, I'm gonna divide that up. I have enough for about 4 or 5 tacos, you know, so this is a great way to spaghetti sauce. You know, or mix in a little spaghetti with some spaghetti sauce, enough for 1 or 2 people. It'll last me for a couple of days. So, and that's how we do it here at the Camping Cooking with the Russ. Peace out, see ya. Turkey pie, well, I mixed... well, okay, let me rephrase this. This is a chicken pot pie and not a turkey pot pie. I took 2 breasts, cut it in half, seasoned it, air fried it, cubed it up, threw it in a big mixing bowl with mushroom soup, a little bit of Alfredo garlic sauce, and mixed vegetables, and what else did I put in there? I think that was it. Oh, and cheese. Yes, if I would have had broccoli, I would have put it in there, but I don't have no frozen broccoli. And she turned out pretty good. So here we go. And she's still bubbling on the sides. But yeah, I love this little Ninja fryer, guys. Okay, peace out. See ya. Special thanks to Marine Market for all the meats and chickens and stuff like that. Special thanks to Thunder Bay Winery for all the wine. Cider goes great when I saute my meats and drinking it as well. Special thanks to Austin Brothers. I use their beer for sauteing other meats also and drinking it. All right, guys. I gotta get to chopping these guys up and throw them in a plastic bag and save them for later. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya!